Hello, young learners. Welcome back to another exciting math lesson. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to explore the magical world of numbers. I am your teacher, Mr. Smith, and joining me today is one of my incredible students, Sarah.
Hi everyone, I am Sarah, and I cannot wait to delve into the enchanting world of numbers with all of you.
That is the spirit, Sarah. So, let's get started. We have prepared a series of activities and discussions about numbers that are perfect for kids. Are you ready, Sarah?
Absolutely, Mr. Smith. Let's dive into the world of numbers.
Fantastic. Our first topic is understanding numbers. Sarah, can you tell our young friends what a number is?
Of course, Mr. Smith. A number is a way to count or measure things. Numbers help us know how many of something there is.
Well explained, Sarah. Numbers are like magic codes that help us make sense of the world around you. Now, kids, can you think of some things we can count or measure using numbers? Share your thoughts in the comments. Great. Now, let's practice counting numbers. Sarah, can you count from 1 to 10 for us?
Sure, Mr. Smith. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent job. Sarah, counting is a fundamental skill. Now can you count from 11 to 20 for us?
Sure, Mr. Smith. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Excellent. Moving on. Let's explore odd and even numbers. Sarah, can you tell us what makes a number even?
An even number is a number that can be divided by 2 without leaving any remainder, Mr. Smith.
You are absolutely right, Sarah. Even numbers are like pairs, and they end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Kids, can you think of some examples of even numbers? Share them in the comments. Now, let's move on to odd numbers.
Odd numbers are like the odd one out, right, Mr. Smith?
Exactly, Sarah. Odd numbers cannot be evenly divided by 2. And they end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Can you think of some odd numbers and share them in the comments, kids? Now, let's have fun comparing numbers. Sarah, which number is bigger, 15 or 8?
15 is bigger, Mr. Smith.
Great job, Sarah. 15 is indeed greater than 8. Now, try comparing these numbers, 12 and 19. Which number is bigger, 12 or 19?
19 is bigger, Mr. Smith.
Excellent, Sarah. Moving on, let's talk about number bonds. Sarah, what are number bonds?
Number bonds are a way of breaking numbers into parts to make addition and subtraction easier. For example, if we have the number 7, we can break it into 3 and 4 as a number bond.
Excellent explanation. Sarah, number bonds help us understand how numbers can be combined or separated. Kids, can you create some number bonds for the number 10? And share them with us in the comments?
We have the number 10. We can break it into 5 and 5 as a number bond. When we add 5 to 5, it will give us a value of 10. In subtraction, when we subtract 2 from 12, this will give us a value of 10.
Excellent explanation, Sarah. Kids, this is number bonds for you. Let's explore number patterns now. Sarah, can you continue this pattern? 5, 10, 15.
The next number is 20, Mr. Smith.
Well done. Sarah, next can you continue this pattern? 2, 4, 6.
The next number is 8, Mr. Smith.
You are absolutely right, Sarah. Its 8 number patterns are like hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. Kids, can you complete this pattern? 10, 20, 30. Share your answers in the comments. What an exciting journey through the world of numbers, Sarah. I hope all the kids watching had a fantastic time, learning and exploring the magic of numbers with us.
I had a blast, Mr. Smith, and I hope our viewers did too.
We certainly hope so, Sarah. Remember, numbers are all around us, and they're like the keys to unlocking the mysteries of math. Keep practicing, and you'll become number wizards in no time. You have more questions or topics? Please feel free to share your ideas in the comments. Until next time, keep loving math and keep learning. Goodbye, everyone.
Thanks for watching Innovative Kids channel.